HubSpot tutorial for beginners: how to use HubSpot CRM. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use HubSpot.com as your CRM, get all of the features and tools. I will show you a CRM dashboard on HubSpot, how to sign up, and also what's the pricing plan to help you make an informed decision if HubSpot is the right choice for you or not. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So what you have to do is you will simply go to HubSpot.com and you will land on this platform right here. HubSpot is an all-in-one platform with our own marketing hub, sales hub, service hub, CMS hub, and operations hub. You can simply sign up for HubSpot by clicking right here. You can start for free. Signing up process is really easy. You simply sign up with your email address, or you can sign up with your Google account. When it comes to the pricing plan of HubSpot, you simply select any of the plan. Let's go with this one right here. This is going to be the CRM, and let's check it out. So this is the sales hub right here, the CRM. In CRM, we get our contact, deal and task management, email tracking, email templates, document sharing, meeting scheduling, Gmail and Outlook integration, live chat, and codes. You can also go ahead and get a premium sales CRM for your HubSpot. You can sign up for free as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on, sign up. The signing up process is really easy. You simply sign up with your Google account. After the initial sign up, this is where you will land. This is my CRM dashboard right here. And in HubSpot, you can see right here we have contact, we have conversations, marketing, sales, services, automation, and reports. In sales, we have deals, tasks. We have documents, meetings, payments, playbooks, and codes as well. So this is going to be our CRM, and let me actually show you how we can use it. So you will simply go ahead and add a contact first. Simply go to contacts on HubSpot, and it will allow you to add a new contact. To add a new contact, you simply click right here, create contact. You have to add an email address, first name, last name, job title, phone number, life cycle stage, that if it's a lead, subscriber, customer, this is actually a customer. Then we have lead status, and you can simply go ahead and add new. Click on create contact, and a new contact will be added right here on your HubSpot. So this is the contact that I just created. And now you can see right here, I can create a note for my contact right here. Then we have create an email option, make a phone call, log a call. Then we have create a task and schedule a meeting as well. We have all the information right here, the activity for my contact. Then we have notes, email, calls, task, and meetings. Then we have company. You can add the company for this client right here. You can add the deals related to this contact. You can add attachments, contact create attribution, list memberships, and playbook. So HubSpot CRM, we can add all of these different tools and features, and it allows us to customize our contact, and it really helps us to get more productive, and it helps us to improve our CRM. So let's say that I want to, schedule a meeting. So what I can do is go to meetings right here and click on create meeting. And now I can use Google Calendar or maybe Outlook Calendar. So I'm going to go with Google Calendar, because that will be really easy to add, right here. Now I simply have to add this integration, and I'm going to connect my Google Calendar to my HubSpot. Once you connect your Google Calendar with your HubSpot, then you will be able to schedule a meeting. So let's go ahead and add a title. So this is actually a new lead meeting for me. So I'm going to go ahead and add this title right here. Then we have the start time, we have duration. So the duration is going to be 1 hour and 30 minutes. We can add attendees description, that who is going to be attending. So I'm going to go ahead and add details right here. We we can add internal notes, and then we can add go to more, and it will allow you to add attachments and to connect a video conference as well. So this is going to be my information for the meeting. I'm going to click on save, and it will be saved right here. You can see right here, now I have scheduled a meeting with my customer. This is how I can simply go ahead and also create a task. Let's say they want me to find the documents, and I have due date is actually 3 business days. This is going to be this. I'm going to actually add a reminder 1 hour before if I forget somehow, or maybe I need a reminder. Then we have priority. So this is actually a high priority. Then I can assign this to anyone in my team. I can assign it to myself or maybe another member. I'm going to assign it to myself and click on create. So now I have a task as well for this customer right here. I will be able to check it out. If I have done the task, I will simply click right here, and it will be checked from here that I have already created the task. Similarly, we have our notes as well. I can create a note for myself in order to add it to my meetings or to keep track of my progress. So this is how a contact works on HubSpot, and we can actually customize and add all of things right here. So this is how you add contacts. Similarly, you can add companies as well. When it comes to our CRM, we have a lot of companies that we're working with, right? And we have a big business. So using HubSpot is really easy. You simply open it up, add a company domain name, company name, and then create on company. Then we have company name, and it is going to be the social guide. Then I will add industry. So the industry is actually computer software. Then we have type, it is other. Then I can add city and postal code, all of the information, time zone, description, LinkedIn, and simply click on create company, and a new company will be created right here on my HubSpot. Similarly, I will be able to add calls and check my activity feed from here. When we go to sales right here, I can simply go to deals. And if you are into sales business, you want to create deals, then you will simply go to deals right here. So to create a deal, I will simply click right here, and it will allow me to create a new deal, and I will be able to add all the information right here. So you have deal name, pipeline, deal stage, amount, close date, deal owner, deal type, priority, associated with. You can actually select from different companies and clients that you already have added, and you will simply add the contacts. Click on save, and a new deal will be created right here. You can add a view as well, such as my deal view, my won deals this month, and new deals. Then we have dates, we have activity status, we have filters available. You can also import different deals from your different platforms. Then we have all pipelines and sales pipeline. If you want to edit your pipelines, you can simply click right here and add more than these 2 pipelines. Then we have task option, documents, meetings. Again, you can create your own meetings right here, the way I showed you. Then we have automation as well, where you will be able to create your own workflows. We can also create our own email marketing campaigns within our HubSpot to help us with our CRM. Then we have reports, and it will give you reports about all of your dashboards that you have created on HubSpot. So HubSpot is actually all-in-one amazing platform that allows you to create your own workspace of yourself. You can see right here, all of my contacts are given here. This is a dashboard that I have for my CRM, and I can edit it right here, or I can add a report, create a dashboard, or perform different actions such as clone, activity log, copy, and delete. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use HubSpot CRM. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.